guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I am Kendrick, and for those who aren't, welcome back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this video because, listen, I done messed around and got drunk. Because it's just, I don't know. But anyways, as you guys know from the title of the video, what I'm going to be doing. So first, before I start, go ahead and take me another shot because I can't. Like, I can't stomach it. Like, it's just, I guess it's a mind frame. I'm going to take my shot first because, Ooh. Anyways, all right. I'm gonna be trying. Let me put this over here. I'm gonna be trying crickets. So I have bacon and cheese, sour cream and onion, salt and vinegar. Put my glove on because I'm not touching these things. We'll start off with the salt and vinegar first. Sour cream and onion first. Oh Lord, look at this. Like, who is this? And it's just, it's the cricket crumbs. It's the cricket crumbs for me. I don't have no scissors. No. I'm gonna grab my plate. Because I don't know if I can do this because I have nothing against people that eat stuff like this, but you nasty. Real nasty. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I don't even think I can do this for real because they smell like dirt. They loud. It's just, it's the wings for me. Let me go ahead and put one back in here. You know, I'm gonna get the smallest one because I can't. You know, I'm gonna leave them on my plate because I can't. Oh no! Hell no! Hell no! Hell no! I don't understand this. First of all, the wing fell off. The wing fell off. The wing fell off. Is this the wing? This the back. Okay. Oh, and for those who are wondering what the balloons are for, I just turned 33 2 days ago. Okay. All right, so let me just go ahead and get into this because I'm not no punk. At least I thought I wasn't. There's no way. You know what? I need another shot because all right. Now, you got this, Kendrick. You got it. Y'all hear that? I can't do it. Like, I cannot do it. Sorry to hear that little, no, that's the washing machine. But anyway. Okay, so, you know what? I need a better one. When you scared, you scared. All right. What the fuck? I can't even touch it with my tongue, Lord, I'm scared. Oh, it's... All right, put it in your mouth, put it in your mouth, put it in your mouth, put it in your mouth. All right. 1, let me move this. 1, 2, 1. He's looking at me. Let me, oh, he too big. Ah! All right, 1, 2, 3. I can't do it. You know what? Maybe not, this is not a good idea. Oh, get it now. Because I can't do this. Oh, they stink. Oh, and this one got a lot of cricket crumbs in here. Yeah, nah. We're going to have to talk about something else because that's not it. That ain't it. Listen, I knew I wasn't going to be able to do it. I just tried to show you that I couldn't do it. But I can't do it. Let me tell y'all something. I knew I was going to eat them damn crickets when I bought them. But anyways, that's besides the point. I tried for y'all. I couldn't do it. Y'all ain't give me enough motivation or whatever. You know what I'm saying? But listen. I do have more videos coming. I promise. You know, I ain't gonna try to keep failing these things. That's just wasn't me. But I'm saying, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, turn that notification on because I'm coming, baby. We in it for the long run. Kendrick gang, you heard?